day, or what remains of it. Time out here is a concept that doesn't seem to fit the vastness of space. The hours blur into one another, marked by the ship's steady hum, the endless loop of stars that surrounds me, and the shifting currents of space that have no regard for the boundaries of time. The universe moves forward, regardless of whether I'm keeping track or not. But today, something different happened. I felt a presence, something pulling me toward the edge of the known universe. I've spent countless hours drifting through space, gazing out into the stars, watching galaxies swirl in the distance, each one a pinwheel of light, a distant story unfolding at a pace that's hard to even fathom. But today, I found myself looking at something I've seen many times before, yet never with this sense of urgency, this pull in my chest. The Andromeda Galaxy. It's approaching us. Slowly, imperceptibly, but it's coming. It's been on a collision course with the Milky Way for billions of years, but it's only recently that the scale of that impending meeting has truly hit me. I've always known it was there, just over 2 million light years away. A massive spiral galaxy, second only in size to our own, its bright heart shining with the light of billions of stars. I've studied it. We've all studied it, watched it through telescopes, marveled at its size, its beauty. But now, out here in the silence, with nothing but the void around me, I can feel it. Andromeda is drawing closer. It's hard to put into words, It's not just that I'm watching it grow larger on the horizon of space. It's more than that. There's something else. A quiet whisper, a hum in the fabric of the universe, like the approach of a storm. It's faint, almost imperceptible, but I can hear it. It's like the galaxy itself is calling to me, calling to everything in its path, beckoning us toward an event we can't even begin to comprehend. I wonder what will happen when it arrives. When Andromeda and the Milky Way finally collide, will the stars within each galaxy be torn apart, scattered like dust in the wind? Will the black holes at the center of each galaxy merge, creating something so powerful that even the fabric of time and space will bend under its gravity? Or will the two galaxies pass through each other, the stars moving around one another like two rivers crossing paths without ever truly touching? There's so much unknown about what happens when two galaxies collide. But in my quieter moments, I can't help but feel that this is not just a cosmic event. It's something more. Something that connects us to the very heart of the universe. It's like the galaxies themselves are telling us a story, one that has been unfolding for billions of years, and we've only just begun to understand its meaning. But it's not just the science of it that pulls at me. It's the idea of the approaching galaxy itself, the way it looms over everything, as if time is slowing, as if we're on the cusp of something grand and inevitable. Andromeda's light is growing, its influence, its presence, is being felt even now. It's not just a far-off object in space. It's real. It's coming. And one day, long after I'm gone, it will collide with us, with our galaxy, with our stars. It makes me think about our own place in the universe, about how small we are, how insignificant we seem in the grand scale of things. Earth, the stars, the planets, we're just specks of dust in the cosmic ocean. But still, we exist. We matter. We live and love and fight, and all the while, galaxies like Andromeda move toward us, toward a moment that we will never fully witness. The universe moves on, indifferent to our lives, but that doesn't mean we don't have a story to tell. I've been thinking about Earth lately, about the way we've always looked at the stars, wondering what's out there, what other civilizations might exist. We've spent centuries trying to understand the cosmos, mapping the stars, searching for answers. And yet, here we are, facing the inevitable meeting of two galaxies. A collision that could change everything, a moment when the universe will rewrite itself. And we won't be around to see it, Ship. The collision is still millions of years away, and I won't be around to witness it, but I feel it in my bones. I feel the weight of that inevitability. Andromeda's light grows brighter, its influence growing stronger. But it's not just a force of nature, it's a story. It's a reminder that we are part of something larger than ourselves. A galaxy coming together, stars aligning, forces of gravity and time working in ways that are beyond our understanding. And we're here, Ship. We're here, and we're part of that story, even if we can't see the end of it. What will become of us, I wonder? Will we be scattered to the winds of the universe? Will we be remade, reborn in the fire of the collision? Or will we simply fade away, lost in the chaos, forgotten by time? I don't know, Ship, but I think that's what makes it so beautiful. The unknown. The idea that we're part of something so grand, so eternal, that we can't even fathom the scale of it. We can only watch, listen, feel the whisper of the approaching galaxy and wonder. Wonder what it means for us, for our future, for the universe itself. Andromeda is still out there, growing closer, but for now, all I can do is wait. Wait for the collision. Wait for the inevitable change that will come. Wait for the story that's still unfolding. And maybe that's enough. Because even in its silence, even in the vastness of space, there's a story. There's always a story. Until tomorrow, Ship. Until the next whisper.